Hi, here's another quick Tuesday tip video to show you how to make the most of the links component in the sidebar. You can use this to add quick links to any websites that you and your team use. To add links, click on Settings and then Profiles. Select a profile and then click to Edit Links. Add a description, which is what you'll see in the sidebar, and add the website and click Add. Within each profile you have this menu with the tick box to show, so you can pick and choose the links that are relevant to the different groups of users on your system. Thanks for watching.